Hello, welcome to another episode of MK2 Golf Stories. Another short one today. We're going to replace the micro switch on the side of the throttle body because this one looks really worn and this one is less worn, and hopefully this might resolve some of our idling issues. We're also going to paint the lettering on our inlet manifold. So quite a short episode today. Without further ado, let's do it. Okay, so this is our micro switch, which we're going to be looking at taking off. To do that, there's just one screw on the back, screw here, which we're going to take off. So, a bit of an awkward place, this screw. Let's get a small screwdriver into it. It should come off. I think that should just pop off.
I think it just flips off, doesn't it?
There we go. Give it a wiggle. Should eventually come off. There you go. Right, two screws just up here. Okay, let's compare this to our new one. So here's our old one. Here's our new one. Now you might be thinking, there's not a lot in that between the two. And you'd be right. But there's definitely more on the new one. While we're at it, we'll take this off and give it a clean as well. Give it a clean all around here. Might as well. Right, give it a bit of a clean around here, I think. Bit of degreaser. That's quite lovely. Okay, that's all been cleaned. Let's get our new micro switch on. So we'll start up here. Now I presume it should be positioned so when it's touching when the throttle's closed, the switch is pressed in. And there you go, so that's right, isn't it? Might need a bit of fine adjusting. It's on the car. There's a fair bit of movement there. It's just back a little bit further, I think, actually. That looks better. Let's tighten that up. Okay, that sounds like a good position. Okay, we put the freshly painted backing on. We pop to the bottom end of the micro switch back in place. That just pushes in, and there's only the 3 screws, same as take it off. Okay, so it's time to paint this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mask off this and then use a Stanley knife to cut it all out. And of course, it's not quite, doesn't matter if it's not quite long enough. Let's go over the top. Excellent masking work there, Scott. So we'll just get some paper, put it over here, and then come back. There we go, all masked up. Let's cut out the lettering now with a Stanley blade. Oh my god, that was incredibly fiddly, and I'm sure we're going to have some edges and bits which aren't quite right. But hey ho, let's get painting. Once again, we're using our engine enamel. So yeah, there you go. That's how you replace your micro switch. Not too complicated. Hopefully it'll make a bit of difference with the car and it'll idle. Got a lot more testing to do, but we've got to put the engine back in the car first anyway. But if you found this useful, please consider dropping a like, click on subscribe. You can do things like maybe even buy me a beer or coffee. Link down below to say thanks. That'd be great. No pressure. But yeah, that's it. Short video. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video. Bye bye.